Islam dan
Okay.
kasama si
Kaya, pagpuli na tayo.
Kasi ako pinang diplomat.
Ito talaga yung binibenta sa sa market pag pag during Christmas, ganito 'yon. Ito yung dekorasyon. 'Yan. At tapos napakamahal, bayot. Ang dami pa dito, guys. Yan. Ang dami dito. Yan. Pang dekorasyon. Agay ko po. Yan. Ang ganda niya. Ito yung ang mahal-mahal dito sa sa market pag bumili ka nito pang dekorasyon sa tapos dito pinupulot mo lang. Ang daming narcis dito, guys, daffodils, ayan. Ha?
I think it's hyacinth.
Hyacinth, this one?
Yeah.
Hala. Yan kasi this month mag-start na yung spring, so yung mga bulaklak ay lumalabas na. Yan. Ito, hyacinth to, guys, yan, hyacinth. Maybe next month, honey, is the flower is out, eh? Ang dami dito. Dito kasi. Yan. We bring this one in house?
That's the well. Right.
I'm excited for spring because guys, there's so many flowers that you can see in the wild.
Yeah,
This
for
one.
spring, then we always spring jumping.
Springin. Lo, the crocus. Ay, tiyo. Smoy. Lo.
Oh, probably.
Yeah? Alamal. Hala. Hello, too much. Crocus. Today is this month is a crocus day. Crocus. Uy. Tati. Ganda. Ganda ng crocus. Yan, it's moy. Yan, ang dami, oh. Ang dami. Ta. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that. Ganda ba? Ganda ng crocus. Hoy, that's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, ik heb een beautiful flower. Berkopt. Yan, guys. Viola. Yan, guys, oh. Ang ganda niya. Yan, different color. Yan. So, ready na siya for spring. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh. Ito yung malaki yung petals niya. Ito naman, maliliit yung petals. Yan, look at that. It's muy. It's beautiful.
Van een plastic zak. Voor dentistry. Kom, en een beetje helpen. Ja, misschien had dat afval doen. Anders pak ik zo naar hier. Maar die heb ik ook in de zaal beginnen leggen. Kan misschien naar de zaal beginnen leggen.
So beautiful. Beautiful flower chair. Different color. This one ako. So amazing. Ah, it's like a rose. Rosa, rosa, rosa. It's small. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's nice. So cute. That's Moyo. This one, this kind of flowers is sparse. Ah, this is a chrysanthemum, it.
I think not. It's the same like this.
It's not chrysanthemum, huh?
Here.
Ah, it's not chrysanthemum.
We have this also before.
Ah, yeah.
Maybe other color.
Ah, yeah. So no, it's like chrysanthemum. Ah, they are starting. Starting the bloom, the cherry blossom. Ah, it's moy. Kuy, next week mag-open na to. Ah, that's beautiful. Ano siya, guys? Ah, hindi pa siya nag-open. Ah, it's sumoy. Ah, so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Starting na siya. Uy. Oh. Na. Yan.
One week later.
That's sumoy. But it's not open all.
Take the hairs down a little.
Ayan. Hey. Namukad-kad na siya. Namukad-kad. Ala. Ah, namukad-kad na siya, guys. La, enjoy na yung ano. that. O, diba? Ang ganda yuts. Blossom. The other day. Look at that. So beautiful. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Cherry blossom. Sarap ng buhay. Nakapatong sa sanga. Sarap ng buhay mo, be. Ah, nakapatong sa may sanga. Ah, so cute. Wak. Wak. Hoy. Yung uwak. Wak. 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 Wak, 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 wak. Oh, kitang-kita ang uwak. Naka 20 times zoom yan, guys. Ah, spotted ang uwak. Hi, uwak. Ang daming uwak dito, guys. Mga uwak. Grabe, ang daming uwak dito. Sa atin, pag makakita tayo ng uwak, may namamatay. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah, I like the tulips. Yeah,
In en dagen te zwart.
that's okay. At
Dat is
least
mooi. Die bloem.
the blue one. Oh, that's so mooi. The tulpan. Rosa aspirin, Rosa. Rosa aspirin. Mooi.
Oh, je hebt ze in wit ook. Kijk, daar staan ze in het wit ook.
Rosa aspirin. That's so mooi.